Bachchan sir, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. It's very difficult to stand here and listen to Clinton and Ribu and Amitabh say all these wonderful words, but it's been a delight to work at this film. A little about the song has already been narrated to you by Ribu and Clinton. My character in the film is an Anglo-Bengali. His name is John Biswas. He's old, he's weak, he's defeated, and that's what Ribu wanted me to portray as the character. So whether it was my clothing or the way I moved, the way I walked, the way I spoke, they were all supposed to depict a very weak, defeated person. And then when they came with the idea of a song, I felt that it would be inappropriate for somebody of this nature to sing a song in the film. But after listening to the tune and the words that Amitabh had written, I just felt that this was more something that was internalized, something that perhaps John would think of in his quieter moments, and therefore we went ahead and did it. It's always very frightening for me to sing a song because I'm not a singer, and especially when you have people like Clinton sitting 6 inches away from your nose, telling you how to do and do it again, and it's very daunting. But somehow something has come about, and I do hope that we can have a look at it now.
Absolutely. So I guess we're ready to watch. This is the first time that the song is being presented to the media, to the world. Ladies and gentlemen, from Teen presenting Bachchan Sahab की आवाज में क्यों रे. बच्चन साहब, कैसा लग रहा है देखकर पूरा गाना बड़े स्क्रीन पर पूरे मीडिया के सामने प्रेजेंट करके?
जैसा कि मैंने अभी कहा, जॉन बिस्वास बहुत ही एक कमज़ोर आदमी है, और जो आवाज़ है वो भी थोड़ी सी कमज़ोर और दिल के अंदर से निकलने वाली आवाज़, ऐसा क्लिंटन चाह रहे थे. वो नहीं चाहते थे कि मैं इसे खुल करके गाना गाऊँ. ऐसा लगना चाहिए कि यदि अगर मैं कहीं अकेला बैठा हुआ हूँ और अपनी पोती के बारे में सोच रहा हूँ या उसके साथ जो भी हुआ है, तो किस तरह की आवाज़ निकलेगी. एक सोच की तरह निकलनी चाहिए आवाज़, और यही कोशिश की गई.
ऐसा पहली बार हो रहा है कि 2 अमिताभ एक साथ स्टेज पर हैं जिन्होंने एक ही साथ एक प्रोडक्ट के लिए, एक गाने के लिए काम किया है.
मैं कहने वाला था कि ये 2 अमिताभ हैं यहाँ और तीसरा
अमिताभ भट्टाचार्य का नाम हुआ था. There is a story behind naming him Amitabh. Why don't you share that?
Please.
In fact, I would like to share that with sir that in 1976 when I was born, so कुंडली के हिसाब से मेरा अक्षर कुछ आया था और नाम का, लेकिन घर के जितने बच्चे थे उनकी जिद ये थी कि इस बच्चे का नाम अमिताभ ही रखा जाएगा, वरना नहीं रखा जाएगा.
He's from Lucknow. He's from Lucknow.
So Mr. भट्टाचार्य, जब आप एक गाना लिख रहे हैं जो आपको मालूम है कि अमिताभ बच्चन को जाने वाला है और वो पोटेंशियली इस गाने को गाएंगे, कितने राइट्स और कितने रीराइट्स किए जस्ट टू मेक श्योर दैट क्यों रे वाज परफेक्ट फॉर मिस्टर बच्चन?
देखिए, रीराइट तो ज़्यादा नहीं हुआ. इत्तेफाक से द मेलोडी एंड द लिरिक्स जो है वो साथ में दे फेल इनटू प्लेस वेरी वेल. और लेकिन लिखते वक्त मैं बच्चन साहब की आवाज़ अपने जहन में सुन सकता था. दैट वाज, यू कैन से, अ सॉर्ट ऑफ इंस्पिरेशन एंड अ गाइडिंग लाइट फॉर मी.
क्लिंटन, बच्चन साहब ने अभी कहा कि जब वो गाना गा रहे थे तो आप 6 इंच दूर थे उनके फेस से, तो उनको काफी इस बात को लेकर नर्वसनेस हो रही थी. बट व्हाट वाज दैट लाइक फॉर यू, बच्चन साहब के इतने करीब?
Actually, you know, I don't like singing in front of everybody because I'm very self-conscious. So I go to a studio which is I'm familiar with, the late Adesh Srivastava's studio, and I go there and I quietly sit with the recordist who knows me, and I just, with the help of some friendly musicians, I do an impromptu singing, and that's what I told them. So I asked them to send the Pro Tools and everything to me, the session, to the recording, and I recorded and sent it back. So I did record the song, and it went to them, and it was destroyed because they said it's rubbish, you have to do it again. And so then Clinton said, and Ribu kept saying, we'll bring Clinton there. I said, no, don't bring him. If you bring him there, I won't be able to do anything. Eventually, I succumbed to this pressure. Clinton came to the thing, and he literally sat 6 inches away from me. And he started singing. So when you have, somebody that you're trying to avoid sitting in front of you and directing you how to sing, and telling you this is not right, you have to do it again. And just forget where you are and forget what you're doing. Just be as close to the mic as possible. These are very frightening thoughts. Somebody who's announcing. Somehow we got it. I thought it was terrible, but Clinton said, sir, don't worry. You think it's terrible, but when I go and I work on my machine, it's going to sound okay. So what you've heard is the machine version. It's Clinton's version. It's not what I sang. I sang very Besura. He has the ability to be able to बेसुरे जितने भी गाने होते हैं उनको सुर में कैसे लाया जाता है और बहुत अच्छी मशीन्स होती हैं इनके पास और ये खुद उसमें ये कोरस वोरस डाल करके इसे खूबसूरत बना देते हैं।
वो अभी लेकिन आपके डिफेंस में कुछ कहने के लिए बड़े आतुर हैं।
I want to say that the whole reason for me wanting to come and sit at the recording was so that I don't have to do all of that in post. I wanted to spare myself the headache, so which is why I was so happy with what we got. And for me it was that was my thing, that it was always a fight in my head that everyone the whole country knows Mr. Bachchan for his baritone, for his deep baritone, and that was somehow not the character of John Biswas. The character of John Biswas was someone broken, someone vulnerable, and so it was a huge responsibility for me to make Mr. Bachchan sing something, but at the same time, I was like, what about his legacy? His voice is part of that legacy that he has. But I wanted to present, and Amitabh was totally, and Ribu always backed me in at this. I think we collectively wanted to present a completely different side of Mr. Bachchan, and that was something that he was brave enough to completely come on board with us. And I think that what we have is the result of that. And I would like to make a special request. What we heard was the edited version for TV, but the song is a little longer. And if we can just play the audio of this maybe after, whenever, you don't have it ready right now, but if you can play the audio, it will be amazing, because this man is really worth multiple listens.
I have to say, while he's listening to this absolutely rubbish kind of singing that is coming from him, he actually, morale boost karne ke liye said, Mr. Bachchan, I have to tell you, you have a fantastic sense of music and you're doing great. No other singer has done the way you're doing it. I mean, this is a lot of rubbish in front of me. I know what he's saying and what he's trying to do, but it's just to keep you encouraged to keep going. Thank you, Clinton, for all the encouragement. But self-realization is something that is very important to all of us. We know when we've done something wrong, it's something really bad. But thank you for the encouragement.
Well, all the efforts have definitely succeeded 100%. Like I said, ladies and gentlemen, the song is now live on YouTube, so please do go home or on your phones, share the song, let everyone see this wonderful, wonderful work of art that is being presented to you by Team 3. बच्चन साहब, अभी और भी गाने हैं एल्बम में, लेकिन एक गाना जो आपका काफी पर्सनल फेवरेट है, एक गाना जो है जिसको अब हम अगला इनफैक्ट परफॉर्म करने वाले हैं हमारे सारे मीडिया मेंबर्स के लिए, प्लीज जरा हमें बताइए कि अगला गाना कौन सा है और आपको क्यों इतना पसंद है?
हमारा मन बहलाने के लिए जब हमारी गाने की रिकॉर्डिंग शेष हो गई 2 बजे रात को, तो इन्होंने बताया कि एक और गाना है, क्लिंटन ने कहा, और उन्होंने कहा कि मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप इसे सुने। इसे सुनाने के 2 मकसद थे, एक तो ये कि आप सुनिए कि कैसा गाना है, दूसरा कि एक्चुअली गाना कैसे गाया जाता है आप सुनिए। और वो गाना हमारे प्रिय दोस्त और हमारे निकट संबंधी में कहूँगा विशाल ने गाया है, और जैसे ही हमने उसे सुना मैंने कहा यार ये गाना सिर्फ यही गाना होना चाहिए फिल्म में, और बहुत ही सुंदर आपने उसको कंपोज किया है और अति सुंदर तरीके से विशाल ने सिखाया है। बहुत ही सक्षम कलाकार हैं, और इनके स्टूडियो में भी मैंने बैठ करके एक और पागल इंसान है जो यहाँ है नहीं अभी, उसका नाम है सुजय घोष, उसने भी एक गाना गवा दिया था मुझे, वो विशाल के साथ और शिखर के साथ हमने गाया था। लेकिन सही मानूं मैं ऐसा मानता हूँ कि वो इस फिल्म का सबसे बेहतरीन गाना है।
तो स्टेज पर बुला रहे थे?
Yeah, and I would like to say that when it came to this song, there was nobody in our heads except Vishal. And I remember when I called Vishal to sing Madari a few years ago. It was completely. He was like, why are you getting me to sing this song? This song is just so wrong for my voice or whatever. You know, it just didn't feel right. But I said, you know what? Let's just do it. I think it'll work. And somehow it just totally worked. And you know. But this time there was no doubt in my head. There was no doubt in his head also when he heard the song. It just felt like the song was just made for him, and you will see why.
And I think we're ready to repeat history one more time with Clinton and Vishal Dadlani. Ladies and gentlemen, Vishal Dadlani up on stage now, please. Vishal,
You know my song.
अभी आप ये गाना परफॉर्म करने वाले हैं, लेकिन परफॉर्म करने से पहले क्योंकि सबसे पहली बार हम प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं सबको ये गाना, anything that you want to tell us about the song?
Song तो अलग है. I mean, but for me, being part of this film is very special. एक तो सुजॉय घोष के साथ विशाल शेखर की करियर की शुरुआत हुई with Jhankar Beats. Jhankar Beats में Clinton was also, if you heard तू आशिकी है, all the vocal arrangements जिसके लिए हमें सारा मतलब we got all the praise. It was actually Clinton who did it all for us. So we have a very long relationship as musicians and as friends. So Clinton मुझे कहे कि आप यहाँ आ जाओ, यहाँ गाना है, I'll be there for anything. Mr. Bachchan is मतलब मैं अगर दुनिया में किसी एक शख्स का फैन हूँ तो that's Mr. Bachchan. If I have to pick one person, the first film I ever saw was Sholay, and for me to be standing here every time I meet you is an honor, and it's nerve-wracking. मतलब हालत बदली हो जाती है मतलब. It's so if Mr. Bachchan says आपको यहाँ इस वक्त होना है, I'll be there without question. और तीसरा सुजॉय है. So there are several people on this film who I am at their disposal. मतलब वो मुझे जहाँ बुला ले, जब बुला ले, मैं आ जाऊँगा. ऐसा है. So for me to be here today is an honor. And of course Amitabh is a great friend. Ribhu, I can't wait to see the film you've made. The trailer is really exciting. So to be a part of this is a great thing for me. और गाना बहुत मजेदार है और बिल्कुल मेरे घर का मतलब my vibe, my style. मैं जिस musical background से आता हूँ उस तरीके का गाना है. So I'm very happy to be part of it.
Now you're saying that it's overwhelming just to stand next to Mr. Bachchan every single time that you do. But what does it feel like when Mr. Bachchan says कि यही गाना होना चाहिए एल्बम में और कोई गाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है और ये मेरा सबसे बेहतरीन गाना है? वो कैसी फीलिंग होती है विशाल?
You know how Clinton was raising Mr. Bachchan's morale, like that Mr. Bachchan raises my morale. It's a mutual morale raising.